Good morning to one and all. This is Steve. We are from Cmrcet College. We are from This is our team, and his name is Vivek. His name is Sam. His name is Ganesh. Our project title is about swimming pool alarm system. This is our project model. This is basically about rescuing someone when he falls in a swimming pool, and the explanation will be told by Vivek.
So in this prototype, components are used are three ultrasonic sensor, breadboard, switch, buzzer, LED switch, double wires. So when human presence is LED switch, Arduino, breadboard, buzzer. So with the help of ultrasonic sensor, we can detect the presence of any human coming inside the swimming pool. So when this ultrasonic sensor detects the human presence, it sends the command to an Arduino board. Where this Arduino board will be send the alert to your buzzer and the LED strips. So in this way, we can use this system. The components are present are three ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, breadboard, switch, LED strips, battery. So when this three ultrasonic sensor detects any human presence, it takes the commands and send it to the Arduino. So Arduino will command the buzzer to blow, and LED strips also will be on when the buzzer is blown. So in this way, this total device works. So advantages of this prototype will be explained by Ganesh.
Project is to rescue the people who fell in the swimming pool, and it is low budget compared to the existing solution. Existing solution is highly budget, which people cannot afford, but this is low budget, which people can afford easily, and it is user friendly for everyone. And the conclusion will be telling by Sati.
The conclusion of this project is to protect the life of the people, and we have used the many sensors so that to give you the exact distance and find the problem, and it will response the signal to the people, and it will protect the environment, and everything is eco-friendly. And thank you.